Visual English Lab.
Visual English Lab.
To talk about the past with the verb be, we use was and were. I was happy. You were at the party. She was a teacher. For many verbs in the past, we add ed at the end. For example, yesterday I walked to school. Last night, we watched a movie. This shows a long action in the past that was interrupted. I was eating dinner when my friend called me. The eating was a long action. We use this to talk about a past action that happened before another past action. The train had left when I arrived at the station. To talk about the past, we use words like yesterday, last week, last month, and ago. For example, I saw her 3 days ago. Regular verbs in the past are easy. Work becomes worked. Play becomes played. Listen becomes listened. Just remember to add ed to the end. Some verbs are special in the past. They change completely. Go becomes went, see becomes saw, and eat becomes ate. You must remember these. When often interrupts an action. While is for two long actions happening at the same time. I was reading while she was cooking dinner. Used to is for past habits or states that are not true now. I used to live in London. Would describes repeated past actions. To make a question in the simple past, we use did. Remember to use the base form of the verb. Did you go to the store?